then turn it off, press it again 3 times. For today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to install the remote starter kit for 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. This remote starter can also be programmed to Toyota CHR from 2018 to 2019 and Toyota LANDCRUISER 2016 to 2018. And take note that this starter kit will work only on push-to-start vehicles. The tools needed for installation are screwdriver, prying tool, scissors, and 10mm socket and a ratchet wrench. Or you can use an impact driver if you have one. I bought this remote start in Amazon for $150, and if you are interested, I will leave the link at the description box down below. So let's start this installation. The first step is to remove the side panel cover using the prying tool. The second step is to remove the screws that holds the steering wheel cover. But before you can remove those screws, you have to turn the engine on first and turn the wheel until the screws are accessible for removal. Do the same on the other side. I got it here. I'll just put it here on the side so we won't miss it. Okay, it's there. And now we do the other side. Okay, I'm gonna put it here. Put it back straight, and then we can turn off the engine. Pull this lever before prying the wheel cover. Set aside the wheel cover and put the lever back so it's not going to be on your way when you're working with the wires. And as you can see, the wiring harness is color coded. It's white and black, so you won't be able to miss that one. Disconnect this black wiring harness and connect the black wiring harness of the remote starter. Remove this screw and the 10mm bolt beside it. Pry and open the panel under the dash for easy access at the ECU. There are 3 wiring harnesses here. The one that you need to disconnect is the second one, or the one in the middle. Press the middle wiring harness and gently pull it. Connect the white female wiring harness of the remote start to the male wires that you pulled, and connect male wiring harness to the ECU.
You hear that click? Means it's locked.
Our next step is the programming. So first what you need to do is press and hold the programming button. With your finger still holding it down, connect the black connector. The blue, red, yellow LED lights will alternate. When only the blue LED is momentarily lit, release the programming button. Insert the 3 required remaining connectors. The next step is to press the push to start button twice to turn on the ignition. Wait for the blue LED light to flash rapidly. Then press the push to start button once to turn off the ignition. The blue LED will turn off and your module is now successfully programmed. But before you put everything back, make sure to test it first, so just in case it didn't work, you can connect and disconnect wires easily.
Turn it off, press it again 3 times.
The installation is a success. Now you can tidy things up and organize. Use the zip ties that came from the starter kit. And that is all for today. I hope you like it. And if you do, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Your support goes a long way. And see you on our next video.